Hey there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, I will be talking about Google Bard, and here we have got opportunity to test its beta version. I'm gonna accept the terms and condition of this Bard AI, and then we will see how good actually it is and it compare with Bing Chat or with ChatGPT. As you can see here, we are being welcomed by a warning screen which says that Bard will not always get it right and Bard will get better with your feedback. Okay, so based on my initial impression, it means that Bard will get better with the feedback that we're going to provide. But at the same time, I'm not sure how Google going to monitor such kind of feedback, since they are also saying to flag anything that may be offensive or unsafe. So without further ado, let's have a look on brand new Google Bard AI, and I am very excited to test it. So if we see here, this is the main screen where we will be getting the result, and this is the prompt area where we can provide a prompt. Now on the left hand side, we can see typical material style Google menu bar, which do not have anything, just it going to show or hide these options. Here we have got this reset chat Bard activity, which I believe is the history. So let me just close it, and then some FAQ. So here we can see what Bard is all about. Thus Bard will give you accurate and safe response. And I am also curious if Bard can also help us with coding. So as we can see here, Bard can't help you with coding just yet, since it is still learning to code. So here I think Bard lagged behind than ChatGPT. So let's just close this and let's try to write some prompt here. Help me in writing an essay over Bard AI. And there we go. Here we can see Bard AI generally generate result instantly instead of writing essay line by line in case of Microsoft Bing Chat or ChatGPT. It came up all of a sudden, and then here you can see how the result was. I think I should ask Bard AI some context based question. Like I would ask him to generate YouTube script out of it. Can you generate YouTube script out of it? Now in case of ChatGPT, it understands the context very well and generally come up with good results. And there we go. Bard also understood it quite well and came up with the script. So here you can see the introduction part. By seeing this result, I would say it looked promising. And then here we can also see it also have presented 3 draft, which is cool. I would say it have presented the same thing in 3 ways. Generally in case of ChatGPT, we ask ChatGPT to write it again, or come up with, let's say, 5 different alternatives. Can you suggest a good headline for this? Make sure that this is SEO optimized. And there we go. Here we can see it came up with 5 headlines, which is great, I would say. So let's try the same thing with Microsoft Bing Chat. For that, I'm going to open bing.com, and there we go. Here we can see Bing Chat, and let's keep them both side by side. Okay, and then what does Bing suggest, or what does Bing say regarding Bard? So let me just copy the same sentence from here and paste it here. And here you can see on the right hand side Bing AI with its typical interface. And this time let me select balance. So I keep on changing the conversational style. Now let me click next. And there we go. We can see the way Bing have generated the result. And really I do not like the way how Microsoft Bing Chat came up with the result. So let me ask him if he can come up with detailed essay. Can you come up with detailed essay? Okay, so here we can see that it is not ready to write essay on its rival. So let's keep moving And this time, instead of this, I'm going to ask him something else. Can you come up with at least 15 questions related to UPSE, which is a very important exam in India? Please come up with their answers as well. Full stop. Now we will see how it performs. Okay, so that is really awesome, guys, and it is very fast how quickly it generated the output. Now let's try to perform the same activity inside Bing Chat. For that, I'm going to simply copy the question. I'm going to paste it here. And let's see what Bing Chat come up with. Okay, so it came up with 15 questions. Although I also asked Google to come up with 15, but it only came up with 10. But the good thing about Google is it came up with other drafts. So if you do not like this, then you can choose other draft as well, which I would say is great. And here we go. Here we can see we have 15 questions in the second draft, and the third draft it also have got 15 questions, which is awesome, I would say. So this was my initial impression and testing video with Bard AI, and we also compared it with Bing. With this I would say Google is moving in right direction, and the way it presents data look much more minimalistic and clean compared to Bing AI. That's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any kind of doubts or question in your mind, then feel free to ask me in comment down below. I will surely try to answer your question as soon as possible. Till then, take care and bye bye.